What's up, guys? You ready for some cleaning? Let's go. All right, guys, back at it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a pet treatment. Only one room is not getting it. So what I'm gonna do, so I already pre-made my regular pre-spray. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and pre-spray the room that doesn't need it for now, the pet treatment. And then I'm gonna post it, the rest of it, for the pet treatment around the rest of the house. All right, so this is the room here that I gotta turn on my backpack sprayer that doesn't need the pet treatment. All right, easy. Okay, for the staining part of it, we need to use a peroxide-based product. Go-Oxy is what I used. And I do about 12 ounces per gallon. All right, for the other side of it, Sacred Side eucalyptus right here, stuff's amazing. Amazing. So of course I did vacuum before I did any of this. But what I wanted to mention is the customer didn't think they had any pet problems, but I noticed dark spots throughout, as you noticed, throughout the house. So definitely had my light out and they were illuminating. So they have a cat, and they said the cat doesn't have problems, but you know, they wouldn't, and I just told them I can't guarantee spots will not reappear, because if I don't do a proper pet treatment on it, I can't guarantee any of that. But I give it, I gave it up, let it up to them whether they wanted to go ahead and move forward with the pet treatment. So my point was us relying on our tools to evaluate situations. That way it protects us in the end. If, say, spots reappear, we made sure we let them know that, we can never have guarantees, but we can give somewhat of a guarantee, right? It's better, you're gonna get better results if you do it this way than you do it this way. And yeah, so they trust me, and yeah, so now I'm gonna pre-spray or pre-scrub everything into the carpet. That's what I do with when I do forearm pet treatments, which I call the Green Rhino cocktail. I pre-spray everything in. They did have a kitty litter box in the back of the hallway. It's strong, so definitely recommend pet treatments for that, guys. right, last room pre-scrubbed. Those are the little things that set you apart from the competition, and customers do recognize that. Trust me. I don't know how many times I've got, oh, I've never seen those used before, or this CRB, right? Sometimes, even if the carpet doesn't require some scrubbing, sometimes I'll pull it out anyway, right? And yeah, that does get recognized also. I've never seen anybody do that before. So who do you think they're gonna call next? Okay, as you notice, one room was raked out because I did some fabric protection in that one room. And now it's time to wrap it all up. Customers love the results. She had all the windows open and stuff because she just thought that was the thing to do, but it's really cold outside. So I just educated her on climate control inside your house, right? Temperature between 68 and 72 with fans going is the ideal environment for drying carpets. So she closed everything up, set the heater, put on the fans, so you're gonna get closer, quicker dry times. All right, also help prevent from wicking and stuff like that happening. Okay, so that's it for this one. Hope you guys liked it. I'm breathing hard. Sorry about that. See you in the next one.